Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Falmouth and we're going to give you a drone tour of the Champion Plaza in Falmouth. Now, you need three things for a successful plaza in Jamaica. One, you need a large supermarket. Two, you need food stores. And three, you need to build a plaza in a populated area. You do those three things and you'll have a successful plaza. Now, this plaza is very successful. It has a very large supermarket called Champion Supermarket. It has food stores. It has KFC, Pizza Hut, Sakuro restaurant, among others. And it's built in a very populated area. It's built in Falmouth, which is the capital of the parish of Trelawney, and also home to the Falmouth cruise ship terminal, the number one cruise ship terminal in the Caribbean. The Royal Caribbean ships come in to this terminal, and because of that, Falmouth is becoming a major player in the tourism industry. So definitely a lot of developments taking place in Falmouth. So straight ahead now, that is the KFC restaurant, and then beside it is the Pizza Hut, and then beside that one is the Sakura restaurant. This is a very popular plaza. Actually, all the stores in the plaza are booked out. This plaza did so well that they're actually expanding it. They're building some new shops to the right of this plaza. Also, they have two other champion plazas in Jamaica. There's one in Port Maria and there's one in Ocho Rios. We'll give you tours of those in future videos. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And behind that building now is where they're extending the plaza, building more shops. And then straight ahead now, this is the Champion Supermarket. As you can see, massive supermarket. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.